Hi everyone, this is Ranjit and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to explain an extension of the previous video. In the previous video, we discussed about swept blend option available in Creo. So this swept blend have multiple parameters or multiple options to do the feature. So there are a lot of common problems arises when we use swept blend, and some of the common problems we are going to discuss in this video. Let's dive into the option. So I'm going to create a new part and I'm leaving all the default settings as such. Then I'll select a plane, and this, for this case, I'll draw a curve, a spline as a path for my swept blend. Okay, so this is my path, and this case, in the previous video, I actually created the cross sections with the help of swept blend. In this case, I'm going to create the sections before using the swept blend or predefined sketches we are going to use. So first sketch, I'm going to create this plane and go for sketch. And this case, I'm going to create a rectangle. Sorry, and I need an inclined rectangle. I will explain what is the reason for that. Okay. So this is my rectangle, and next I'm going to create a new plane here, and in this plane I will create my sketches. So I am planning to create one plane here, and I'm going to create another plane at the end point. So there will be total 3 cross sections will be there. So to do that, I need to create a plane. In order to create a plane, click the plane. Sorry, before that I need to create some points. So I'm going to create a point at the center. Okay, so go for plane, then you need to select this point as your reference. Yeah, point. Then the plane will be placed here in an inclined one, so you need to specify another reference. So I'm going to specify this as my the base reference for the second one, second reference for my plane. So you can see this plane is parallel to the first plane and it is exactly at the same point. So it has two references. One is the datum point, the second is a datum plane. Okay, next one more plane I'm going to create, plane, and select this point, end point, and select this plane as the parallel plane or the reference plane. The next one, I'm going to create the second sketch, select this plane, go for sketch. In this case, I will create a circle. But it won't do the swept blend because you need exactly the same corners for all the, or the number of corners for all the cross sections. For example, this case, the square, the rectangle has 4 corners, but in case of circle, there are no corners. So we need to create artificial corners. In order to do that, you go to divide and you divide these points. So now I have 4 points or 4 endpoints, which is exactly matching with this rectangle. Okay. Next, I'm going to create one more circle here. Sorry. At this plane, go for sketch and one more circle. And this time, I'm not going to divide it because I want to show you how 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 it is not filling material between these cross sections. Okay. I want to show you the error. So next one, go for swept blend, then select this as my path. The next, instead of sketched selections, because now it is sketched selections, sorry, sections, you need to select the selected sections because we already created the sections. That's why we will use this option. Then select the first one. Okay, insert next section. This is my second section. Can you see? This is created, but there is actually a twisting problem here. If you want to correct the twisting problem, you can easily pull this to the second point. Now can you see it's already positioned? But if I created this rectangle in a parallel mode, for example, if I created parallel to the axis, there will be twisting, and you need to shift or you need to rotate the end point in at an angle like a 90-degree or 45-degree to correct this mistakes. So that's why I drawn the rectangle in the inclined position. So next one, insert one more section, the select this one, but now there is no swept blend because it is not divided. So if you divide, I'll show you how to correct this error. If you go to this sketch, that is sketch 4, sorry, go to divide, and if you divide, now there are 4 points. If you divide and if you again go to swept blend, select the path and select the selected sections, then select, then insert, select, insert, select. Now one more thing, you need to select, you can select the section 2 and you can rotate this, and here also a rotation is required. You can rotate this one also, sorry. Now it is almost correct. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for updates, and please share your comments and likes. They really encourage me to keep going, and I'm going to release a lot of videos related to solid modeling, simulation, structural analysis, computational fluid dynamics. Let me know if you have any doubts. Feel free to post your questions in the comment section. I will address them to the best of my knowledge. Thank you.